Hi, so today we're going to replace the screen on this Lenovo L570 laptop. It has damage down here on the left side, you can see, and Lenovo said since that looks like something that would happen when it dropped, they won't cover it under warranty. So we ordered a laptop from laptopscreens.com, a screen for it, replacement screen, and we're going to go ahead and replace that now. Before I ordered it, I opened it up, verified the type of screen that we need, and matched that to what they had on the website. So we have to just pry the front part off here carefully. And there we go, that just comes off like that. And you have the screen here with, you have the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to take off. And then be careful of the wires in the back once you remove the screws. Put them all aside. This is probably one of the easier ones to replace. And number 4. And next to the screw holes, there's another little hole, like a guide hole, where little tabs go in. And fold it down. And on the back here is the lettering that I matched up to the new one. And then there's a little tape here. See that little plastic tape there. And a little clip here that you lift up to pull it out. And it slides right off. And now you have that off. And again, there's the information on the back. Open up our new one. All right, lay that in place, and we need to put the ribbon back on. And then the little clip goes down, and the tape goes on. And we use the little tabs up top next to the screw holes. The problem is this one they sent me has a bent tab on the top. Okay, sorry, we had to fix that little tab, so we bent that tab back out a little bit with the pliers just gently, and then pressed it in, and now it holds in that spot. So now we put the 4 screws back in, and we'll start with that one that was bent just to make sure. So there's one. Two. Number 3. And the last one. Alright, that should be good. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. Make sure we fire up here. Looks good. Alright, here we go. So we have it on. There's no more of that thing down the side here, the damage that we saw before. It all looks good. So peel off the little plastic protection. There we go. Peel that off. And then snap this back in place. Alright, so even with that little bent tab, it didn't affect the function, and it bent right back into place. And here we are, the Lenovo L570 back together with a brand new screen from laptopscreens.com. And thanks for watching.